I wasn't here. Right? What the fuck was I thinking? Like I was gonna be in a relationship? I'm a fucking psycho. That's why I'm good at what I do. That's how I operate. I am the best because I didn't have any of this fucking bullshit. Right? I could focus and I could concentrate and I had a routine and I had fucking cell reception. I don't need to provide amusement or enjoyment. I don't need to receive any amusement or enjoyment. I'm completely fine with that. Because no amount of good is worth how terrible this feels. It's just a complete waste of fucking time.
I'm really sorry you feel that way, Carmy.
Claire? 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 Claire?
Hey, Carmy. What's wrong?
Thank you for everything, cousin. This was so beautiful.